Posting to Instagram from your desktop computer is an alternate method if you don't have your phone on hand or you would like to log into Instagram account from your laptop for a better convenience. How to post on Instagram with PC. Please check out below the 12 easy ways to post on Instagram with PC. 1. Open up your preferred desktop browser. 2. Go to Instagram.com. 3. Log into your Instagram account using your email, phone number, username, or Facebook credentials. 4. Hit the plus button in the top bar. 5. From the pop-up, click Select from Computer. 6. Select a photo/image file to upload to Instagram. 7. Optional, crop the photo/image, zoom in, or add more media if it is required. 8. Optional, select a filter and make additional adjustments according to your choice. 9. Enter a relevant caption to the image. 10. Optional, add a location, add alt text, or turn off commenting if it is needed. 11. Hit share. Awesome! You have posted on Instagram with your PC. Can I post to Instagram from a PC? Yes, Instagram allows you to post from a PC, but there are some minor restrictions. Instagram allows you to post images and videos to your profile on its desktop version. You cannot post Instagram stories, IGTV posts, or Reels from the desktop version. You also cannot start a live video from the web version. How to use Instagram on a computer. You can use Instagram on a computer. Go to the Instagram.com website from your computer web browser and log into your Instagram account using your phone number, username, email, or Facebook account. On Instagram's web version, you can browse your feed, reply to direct messages, DMs, view your notifications, post photos and videos to your profile, and etc.